Right. Clearly heartening scenes there from Bhangor. Surya, thank you so much for that report. In fact, my colleague Indrajit is speaking with one of the star candidates of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Member of Parliament Lokesh Chatterjee, who's contesting from Chuchura in Hooghly.
बहुत जल्द
हुई है उससे आप खुश हैं?
बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं
सब कितना कॉन्फिडेंट है इस बार?
200%।
एमपी आप बन चुकी है, अब विधानसभा में चुनाव लड़ रही हैं।
हाँ,
आसान है लड़ाई?
देखिए सब लड़ाई कठिन होता है, चैलेंजिंग होता है, सब अच्छा है।
बना के रखिए, आप खुद टकरा के अंदर गिरे हुए, क्या फायदा नहीं।
Right. You, of course, heard that first reaction coming in from Lokesh Chatterjee, who is in the political fray, in the electoral fray, I beg your pardon, in the fourth phase of these elections, contesting from Chuchura in Hooghly. I'll go across to my colleague Prema, who is joining me live from Chonditala right now. Prema, Yash Dasgupta versus Mohammad Salim. The BJP has fielded a superstar in the fray. What is the contest in Chonditala looking like, Prema?
It looks like a tough contest because we have Yash Dasgupta from the BJP, and BJP is hoping that the star candidate can help to back the seat. But there are other candidates like Swati Khandelkar of the TMC, and she's won the seat twice, and Trinamool Congress confident they can retain the seat for a third time. But will that happen? We'll have to see. People are out here to vote. There's another candidate who we have to watch out for, CPIM's Mohammad Salim. So a tough contest over here. And when we are talking about the women candidates, Swati Khandelkar is one of the 50 women candidates in fray for 44 seats in the fourth phase of elections. And you can see a lot of people have come out to vote. Of course, various issues on the mind. I'm going to speak to a lady voter here. You've just cast your vote. What are the kind of issues that people are facing in Chonditala? What are the issues you will keep in mind?
Just I have casted my vote and these issues like the panchayat is working good, but people will have their expectations also, like the employment of young generation and the health facilities in our local hospitals, and obviously industrialization. So those we will be elected and hopefully they will be work better in our panchayat area, especially on the roads and for the benefit of the people. So we are hopeful about that, and that's why we are here. First of all, the machine was not functioning correctly, so we got late, and after that we have casted our vote. Thank you.
So they had to wait for a while before voting began here because there were some issues with the machines here. The exact issue has not yet been stated what it was, but we heard her speak about various issues like healthcare, and she says that what is important here is a candidate that works for the development of the area, and that is one of the key issues that she has in mind. Many voters here, Paulomi, like in Bengal, coming out to vote, people very politically aware, at least majority of them, like they have Chai Adda or Chai Pe Charcha, and this is one of the major topics or the hot topics that have been on people's mind over the last few months in West Bengal, and which is why we can see a lot of them coming out to exercise their voting rights here in Chonditala. Back to you, Paulomi.